She smelled you as soon as she came up. Come here, baby. Come on. It's like, no, Daddy, stranger danger. She's gonna find her other hot dog.
That's freaking awesome.
She's almost getting it.
She don't know what to think of me, does she?
Mm-mm. There, she's finding it. See if she goes and buries it. You gonna bury it or you gonna eat it? She's gonna take it back to her den. Nope, she's skipping her den. Where you going, babe? Where are you going? She runs off in the brush to bury a hot dog like that, and then she comes back up here. Come on, baby. She's got another hot dog up here. Come on. Oh!
She don't even hurt your
Get the kitty. Oh yeah, she's gonna tear him up. Watch this. Power chomp. Power chomp. Thank you for not shitting in my flower bed.